Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala uba Prestone tensang habakran halor kajingwan Pyndem ki arngut ki Dkhot ka Hnlc uba Prestone uloong baka jingkhang ka pli ya ka seng bat udan ka jingkermen ba Kiwei ki Dkhot jong ka seng ru kin sngaw thu baka kam ka jong ki kan ampoi she ula ai noksa ki arngut ki bawan ban Pyndem da ka baong baki niru ki sngaw thu Ïalade ba kimpoi she Hnlc ki dan kam ban bat ban trei ula Kyntu ye Kiwei ki Dkhot ka seng ban buat e noksa jong kini ki arngut ki bawan ban Pyndem no Ïalade.
That I don't know, but the door is still open. I keep saying this. I think 100 times I've already told you that the door is still open. If they want to talk, we are ready for talk.
From a government side, will you take any initiative of contacting their interlocutors for the?
As I said to you, the door is open from our side. It is up to them whether the door is open or not, or whether the window is open or not. It is up to them to decide. If they want to contact us, we are ready. I mean, our phone is always open.
By the after this surrender of two Ïalade members recently, they have mentioned that they have fled to Bangladesh. So, is there any possibility that more Ïalade members are residing in the neighboring countries, are getting shelter in the neighboring countries?
See, I'm sure other members will also realize one day that the career of themselves is ending nowhere, is leading nowhere. For example, like these two boys who surrendered themselves. Why they did that? Because ultimately they realize one thing, that they need their career. They are only in the age of maybe below 30. So they need their career more than anything else. So ultimately they join back the mainstream. So I would appeal all other members also to kindly follow the footsteps of those two boys who recently surrendered.
But do you see that more members of Ïalade are taking shelter in the neighboring countries?
That I have nothing to say. I can't say anything. I cannot comment anything. But of course, our police force are very much alert about all this.